Hello everyone, this is Eugene, and I have decided to do my short film on a Yellow Star house, which is located at Maria Uza, which is Maria Street, 29. I unfortunately don't know the story of this Yellow Star house because I haven't found anything about it online, and everyone that I talk to just has no idea about what actually happened here. Currently, this place is used as a fitness center and as a game room, and I would assume most people have no idea about the history which is behind this place, this Yellow Star house. This is actually a unique phenomenon to Hungary, Yellow Star houses, because I mean there were several places marked where Jews were supposed to live in Nazi Germany and the Nazi-occupied France, and also in the Netherlands, but to actually have a mayoral decree which basically said that Jews could only live in these places, and this was enforced by law, is actually unique to Hungary. They didn't only have to live in places marked by yellow stars, but they also had to wear yellow stars on their clothing. So basically, they were marked kind of like cattle, I guess, so that, there was no way they could hide their identity. Another thing I would like to talk about is the Hungarian role in the perpetration, because this is often, even by today's government, just swept under the carpet. Uh, they try to put the blame on Germany, but Hungary is just as much to blame as the Germans for whatever happened in the Holocaust in Hungary. Even before the German occupation of Hungary in the March of '44, the Jews were already treated more or less subhuman in Hungary. They were denied access from many of the public places which are in Budapest, such as restaurants, bathhouses, or just, cinemas. Not only that, but they were also only allowed to even just buy their groceries in first of all in limited amounts, and also only at allocated times. And it's not only about the treatment they received inside the city, but also the fact that even before the German occupation and the deportations which began after, there were already deportations towards the Eastern Front and to the Eastern Front from Hungary. More than 10,000 Jews were actually deported in labor camps